of joy and delight come to an end for every day, and the clergy do not help my plight. I cannot stop myself from taking the way of the swan when it knows its death is near. It brays and cries and sends its song out clear with force, because it must end its life, and there is no more comfort there, no respite from strife. Master, so help me God, you speak what is fitting, true, and right, but do not let this matter make you weak, even if the clergy do you no good this night. For the good time is coming, I believe, when you will have such a reward to receive, a palfrey or an income worth much more, for the Count of Poitiers is at the door. Gilhalme, by my faith, I do not prize a penny's worth of what you say. I would rather hold a quail close before my eyes inside my LA peep than I would a pullet, nay, that lies in someone else's coop to wait upon their mercy. For often I calculate he who waits on another's good will gape and yawn in vain. Master, you can have great happiness if you but wait and suffer through the pain. Gilhalme, I do not believe your boastfulness, no matter what you claim again and again. Master, why will you not believe me true? Great good will come to you from France if you will only wait for it. Gilhalme, may God give you such hope as you give me too. Master, do not have the fickle heart of a child or a light-minded man. Gilhalme, upon a good surety's part, I would willingly believe your plan. Master, many a good destroyer do men of rank possess, to carry them there and suffer through the journey's end. Gilhalme, fierce and wild. Master, even down to the twigs and brush, let the new roof appear before your sight. Gilhalme, my lodging in the castle's hush costs very little, that seems right. Master, we shall have a new count, I know, at pens a cost who will pay you well and fair. Gilhalme, a fool is he who listens to you, so you pay with another man's bushel, I declare.